I am sitting in a 2007 Honda Accord. We're going to be programming 2 keys to this vehicle. You're going to need the green adapter for Honda to do this job. I have 1 key turned in the ignition, and you can see that the green light is on. It is not programmed. So let's get started and program both of these keys. Start with Honda, Accord, key coding, 2007, immobilizer 1, ignition's on. We're going to go ahead and program key. Number of keys we're going to need are 2. Enter. Ignition's off. On with the same key. Off. On with the next key. That'll be this key. Off. On with the same key. Should have a countdown here. Your green security light should start flashing slowly, and then it should go out. Once you've gotten this far, you know the keys are programmed. Switch ignition off. On with the same key. Security light is out. Yes. Off. On with the same key. Procedure is complete. You can see our security light is now off. We'll take this key out. We will put the next key in. Light should come on and go out. And that's it. Procedure's done.